Hi, fellow humans. Let's talk about some reasons that your meal plan might fail and how to fix it. So, the first reason I've talked about previously is that you don't know what you want your meal plan to help you with. And so it fails because you either don't really know what you want it to do for you, so you can't tell if it's working, or because you don't really know how you want it to help, you're trying to do too many things, and so you're failing at all of them and not the ones you really need to focus on. So go back and look at that post, but in short, figure out how you want it to help you so you can focus on that and not worry about the other things. The second reason that your meal plan might fail is that you're not taking into account your real life. One of the values of Nutrition for Real Humans is realism, and that's because we live in the real world. We don't live in this ideal world where we have just endless energy and enthusiasm and time to shop and prepare and plan meals. And so we have to plan for our real lives. When you're choosing your meals for the week or the next 3 days or the next month, however you plan meals, think about what's happening on those days and how the real day is going to feel as far as you know. If you have a really busy day, don't plan a meal that involves a lot of energy. Do you have time to cook? Do you need to make something quick? Is it better to just plan sandwiches or plan to grab something for takeout? Plan for success. If you have a really involved new recipe you want to try, plan it for a day when you're going to have time and energy and you can really enjoy it. The third reason your meal plan might fail is that it's not flexible enough. This helps for those unexpected things that are real, that might come up but that you can't really plan in advance for. So a flexible meal is a meal that uses ingredients that you usually have at home that you will eat anyway. Something that you like, something that's easy to make. And you can either use a flexible meal to substitute for a day when you just unexpectedly can't make the meal that you planned. It's unexpectedly busy, or you're missing a crucial ingredient, or you just don't feel like it. You can also drop a flexible meal if, you unexpectedly get invited out to dinner, or you have a lot of leftovers from another meal you've made. And it's not a big deal to skip that in your meal plan because you'll eat those ingredients anyway. They're not going to go bad. A flexible meal is also great to plan as a going out to eat meal. And then if you end up everything goes to plan with your meal plan and you make all the meals that you plan to make, then your flexible meals are easy, quick meals that you can look forward to making. So those are 3 reasons your meal plan might fail. Another reason your meal plan might fail is that you have picky kids or picky adults, and that can make successfully planning and following a meal plan really challenging, but that's a whole nother post. So stay tuned for that. Tell me in the comments what things make your meal planning challenging and what you do to solve it.